there, I'm meteorologist Robert Spin. I know we got a lot of friends out here across Japan, especially military there, places like Yokosuka, Zushi, really all across Kanagawa, even over towards Yokota. And I'm sure you've probably heard about our tropical storm here. Now, the Japan Meteorological Agency hasn't warned on it yet, and you can see it's right here towards the south of Ogasawara, the Ogasawara Islands, right in there. And it is not the most organized thing in the world. In fact, the track keeps it offshore and passes towards the east of the Kanto Plain, kind of skirting the Chiba prefecture. Here's the deal, though. It is still going to bring some heavy rainfall potentially at times, all thanks to that flow coming in from the south, kind of pumping on shore across parts of the Tohoku region. And yeah, you're still going to be looking at scattered showers as it combines with a secondary low off towards the west. But I really do believe it's going to likely shift towards the east here and just skirt the coast, mainly because you can see this area of convection there just south of Tokyo. Look at all that. That's going to hook it and kind of keep it just offshore. And this is some high resolution guidance from the Japan Meteorological Agency. And you can see here as we go ahead through Sunday, and let's continue to scoot it ahead. How about we look ahead into, well, actually, let's go back just a bit here. This is my Monday morning. See how you have that low just offshore? And there's the secondary low towards the west, actually a minor tropical depression. Now, these aren't going to combine and create like a mega storm or anything like that. But what they are going to do is help enhance that southerly flow. And even by Tuesday into Wednesday, look at this. Look at that strong southerly wind continuing to push in. And we can even switch over. How about we look at the global guidance if you're don't want to be looking at some of the high resolution stuff from JMA. And you can see here, this is passing by on Monday morning. And then we look ahead into Tuesday over towards Wednesday. You continue to see that southerly flow. And it really is that's going to be adding up that precipitation along our coastal areas. And let's take a look. Actually, this is going to be the 5-day rainfall accumulation from the ECMWF. See across the Izu Peninsula over towards Shizuoka, parts of the Kii Peninsula, all about 100 to 200 millimeters. Now, our military friends out here have not issued any of the T-Core advisories at this time, including in the Yokosuka. That's a tropical cyclone condition of readiness. And I don't expect it, really. If they do anything, it would be that T-Core storm watch, but that would be kind of on the high side of things. So, of course, if you have any questions or anything like that, I was stationed in Yokosuka for many years, worked at NHK. I know how kind of things work around there. Just shoot me a question if you're curious, although, of course, I'm sure CFA is available, and if you want to reach out to them and if you have any specific questions on this. But it's one of those storms where if you're new to the area, you might be a little bit worried, but I wouldn't be overtly concerned about the storm itself, more so of that heavy rainfall. And you could see some areas towards the west of Tokyo, especially into the mountains, those volcanic soils, seeing that increased risk of mudslides. Now, also, I do want to mention, I have a separate video on this. There's a lot of other stuff happening out here. You can look down towards the south. We have this other area of convection, which probably going to see something develop out of that. You also have stuff in the southwestern areas of Okinawa over towards southeastern China, all going to help increase the monsoonal flow. And really, there's a lot happening, but the energy is so spread out over a vast area that I wouldn't concern yourself with a typhoon at this time, but a lot of rainfall continuing in that expected forecast. So as always, I'll keep you posted. I'm meteorologist Robert Spetta. Stay safe out there.